Hello everyone, welcome to FPL. This is another brand new video of captaincy pick for game week 6. In this content, we will talk about 6 players whom we have put into 3 categories of captaincy. Now let's go deeper into the video. A captaincy pick video without Mo Salah is really incomplete. So for this week too, Salah is one of our primary picks as he faces Brentford in Brentford Community Stadium. Salah is enjoying a great form on the road as he scored 2 and assisted another 2 in his 2 away matches this season. Salah is the highest scoring player in FPL after 5 game weeks as he is averaging 10 points per game. He took 22 goal attempts in previous matches and had an XG of 3.54. Only 3 players in the whole EPL can better this number. The only thing that will bother the FPL managers is Brentford's tremendous defensive record. Brentford has the second best XG conceded number and the third best record in EPL when it comes to shots from inside the box conceded, where Salah took 21 shots. Only his teammate Sadio Mane can better that figure. He also took more than 4 shots from inside the box per match. Salah's attacking threat and Brentford's defensive solidity. It is going to be a battle to watch for. What a time Cristiano is having. It seems like he has been playing with this team season by season. He is so connected. Everything reflects with his performances. 2 goals in 3 games, an average of 9.5 FPL points per match. He also has a blistering record against Aston Villa. Against them, he scored 8, assisted 4 and bagged 71 points in the 12 matches he faced. In his 2 games this season, he created 13 attempts and took 7 shots on goal, which is the most. His current XG is 3.32, which makes him the perfect captain in the next match. Comparing Villa's performance this season with him, he has an average of 6.5 goal attempts per match, where Aston Villa conceded almost 11 per match. He took 6.2 shots inside the box and they conceded 7.2. He took 13.8 minutes to create an attempt, where they conceded a chance in every 8.8 minutes. He changed the environment of the whole team and scored in the all games he played for the Red Devils till now, and surely he will be the most chosen captain of FPL for the upcoming game week. Antonio missed his last match due to his red card, but he played in the Europa League against Dinamo Zagreb, where he scored the opening goal. In his 4 appearances, he scored 4 goals, assisted 4 and scored 39 fantasy points. His points per match is 9.75, only Salah has more. He took 18 goal attempts, only Salah and Mane took more. He has an XG of 3.5 and XA of 1.48, which shows how much attacking threat he is showing this season. Leeds has one of the worst defensive records this season as they conceded the most shots from inside the box per match, conceding 12 goals. Only Newcastle and Norwich conceded more. Leeds are having severe injury problems in the back. Llorente, Koch, Struijk are all out injured and Ayling is doubtful because of his knee injury. Antonio has an XG of 0.88 per match and he created 1 chance in every 51 minutes. Overall, if you choose Antonio over Cristiano Ronaldo and Salah, you won't be regretting this game week. Inclusion of Cristiano Ronaldo in the team though makes Bruno Fernandes the second choice player to pick from the Red Devils team, but a player like him would always be considered as a game changer. He has the sparkling record against Villa, 3 goals, 1 assist in 3 matches and an average of 10 FPL points per game. This season he is delivering quite well though, 4 goals and 33 FPL points in 5 opening games, but the expectation from him exceeds the limit and we, the FPL managers, want more from him. He created 17 attempts, 11 chances with 4 big chances in 5 games, currently having an XG of 1.21 and an XA of 2.18. Comparing to the opposition's defense, Bruno created an average of 3.4 chances in each game while Villa conceded 10.8. He took 40.5 minutes to create a chance for goal while Villa conceded a chance in every 8.8 minutes. Everyone is getting busy with Cristiano Ronaldo, but a player from Bruno's caliber can be a hot cake to give the armband in the upcoming game week 6. Although Leicester are having an underwhelming season so far, Vardy didn't disappoint his managers. He gave an FPL return in 3 out of 5 game weeks, scored 3 goals and assisted 1. Against Burnley, Vardy scored 43 FPL points in 12 appearances. He had 11 goal attempts and 5 of them were on target. He has an XG of 2.06 where Leicester as a whole team possesses an XG of 5.4. That shows how much attacking responsibility Vardy is carrying on his shoulder. According to stats, Burnley has one of the least impressive defensive records this season. They conceded 9 goals and almost 13 goal attempts per match. In both cases, only 3 teams have worse records than them after 5 game weeks. They have an XGC of 1.75 per match, whereas Vardy has an XG of 0.41 per match. Vardy took more than 2 goal attempts and at least 1 shot from inside the box per match, which makes him the most attacking player in Leicester's squad. That's why Vardy is our second differential captain's pick for this game week. That was all from us for this week's captaincy pick suggestion. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming contents. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL Edition on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.